Various advancements over the years have led to the invention of an array of gadgets. These gadgets come in many sizes. But what happens when you go small? Do these devices retain their usefulness? The answer is yes. In today's video, we'll be talking about 12 of the coolest mini gadgets that are on another level. These gadgets are truly something. Who knew you could fit an arcade in your pocket? There's one gadget that might just get you to replace the good old lawnmower, and another gadget that'll definitely end in the shopping carts of all the clean freaks out there. Make sure to watch till the end to find out about all these products. As usual, links to all gadgets are in the description below. Number 12. FLIR One Pro. The FLIR One Pro is an infrared camera accessory that easily fits with your devices. It allows you to scan the room and discover any hidden electrical problems, cracks in pipes, and heat leakages. It's got a temperature range from -4 degrees to 752 degrees Fahrenheit. With the help of Vivid IR and MSX, the camera can give you some pretty high-resolution images. Additionally, all your findings are recorded in the accompanying app that also gives you tips on how to use the camera and sends automated reports. It operates on a battery that has a charge time of 40 minutes and a battery life of 1 hour. Number 11. GPD Pocket Laptop. The GDP Pocket Laptop is exactly that. It's a laptop that fits inside your pocket. The laptop promises functionality as it operates on Windows 10. It's got a 7-inch touchscreen display and an Intel Axiom X7 Z8750 Cherry Trail for a processor. With 128 GB of eMMC and 8 GB of RAM, the laptop isn't too bad. There are ports on both sides, 2 USB 3, X Type-A ports, a micro SD slot, a headset jack, and a USB Type-C port. It operates with the help of a 6800 mAh battery and boasts a battery life of 6 to 8 hours. Additionally, it features a unibody machined magnesium design. What's more, it's incredibly lightweight, ultra portable, and has a low noise operating mode. All these features make it perfect for meeting the needs of high-end business professionals. Number 10. Smallest turntable. All vinyl player fans will love the world's smallest turntable. It's not just a decoration piece since it actually works. The turntable's fitted with a moving tone arm and spinning platter. It's also got a light-up strobe. Chances that you'll find a vinyl of a size that can fit into this turntable are small. However, you can play the faux vinyl that comes with it. It's been designed to play an authentic skipping sound. All in all, it's an adorable must-have. Number 9. Smallest vacuum. The world's smallest vacuum's more useful than you think. For starters, it can fit into your pocket. It comes with a 4-foot long cord, so you can get to all the spots. It doesn't operate with the help of batteries, but is in fact USB powered. The vacuum's got an excellent suction function. There's a 3/4 of an inch of the hole at the front. You can tell when it's full because the suction function will be impaired. When this happens, you need to press a button to release the receptacle. It's fitted with a reusable filter and also comes with 2 attachments. If you're a clean freak, then you'll definitely love this one. Number 8. Canon Ivy. The Canon Ivy is for all the photo lovers out there. It's a portable printer that allows you to print out your photos on the go. The photos are generally in the 2x3 size. The printer even allows you to customize them by adding filters, texts, emojis, and frames. You can even make some collages. The printer also has an inbuilt camera that allows you to snap photos as you please. To be specific, it's fitted with a 13 megapixel CMOS sensor that's capable of putting out a video in full HD 1080p at 60 FPS. It's also got Wi-Fi and Bluetooth features. You can carry it easily by attaching it to your belts or backpacks. Additionally, it's incredibly lightweight and has been designed to be waterproof and shockproof. Let's just say taking pictures has never been more fun. Number 7. Pocket Sprite. This next one's for all the gamers out there. The Pocket Sprite's the world's smallest Game Boy. Despite its size, the Pocket Sprite proves to be quite the grab. It's an open source console that allows for hours of gaming. The operating system's super simple to use, as the programmers behind the gadget have made it easy to update. The game can pick up from where you left off from your previous session. Additionally, the Pocket Sprite promises ultra portability. It's also pretty tough with a duct-sealed ABS case and a Gorilla Glass screen in front as well. All in all, it's going to have you hooked. Number 6. PICO Falcon. The PICO Falcon's the cutest miniature helicopter. Although it's tiny, it's perfect for flights. PICO Falcon is capable of maneuvering itself in small and tight spaces. You can control it with the accompanying remote control, moving it forward, backward, or in circles. You can also turn on an LED at the front with the remote control. The PICO Falcon's battery powered, with the remote control doubling as a charging station. Throwing the helicopter in your backpack or your pocket might cause damage to its parts, but not to worry, for the PICO Falcon comes with its own carrying case, making portability a breeze. If you're looking for a birthday gift for your kid, then this might just be it. Number 5. Tiny Arcade. If you want to live out your arcade days once again, but struggle to find the time to do so, then the Tiny Arcade's just what you need. As unbelievable as it sounds, it's a small-sized arcade that can fit in the palm of your hand. Contrary to popular belief, the miniature arcade doesn't just copy the original in looks, but in usage as well. The arcade's fully functional, allowing you to play whatever game you want, anywhere and anytime. You can also watch movies on the tiny screen. There's no preloaded ones in the arcade system, so you'll have to download some onto a SD card and then mount it on the arcade. If you know programming, you can create your games and play them in the arcade as well. Let's just say you're going to have a hard time letting go of this fun gadget. Number 4. Smallest voice changer. You don't need to go big to go loud, as proven by this small voice changer. Despite its small size, the device proves to be something noteworthy. It can not only amplify your voice, but also change it. You can choose between 4 unique tones. It operates on batteries and comes in a variety of colors. You just have to bring it close to your mouth and say whatever it is you want to say. The gadget's perfect if you're looking to mess with somebody and have a little bit of fun. Number 3. Mini Blower. This blower is not meant for your lawn, but in fact for your desk. If you're a particularly messy eater, leaving crumbs on your working space, you'll likely appreciate the usefulness of this device. The mini blower will tidy up your workspace in no time. It has a 1.5 meter cable, allowing you to reach every corner of your table. It doesn't just operate on batteries, but is actually USB powered. Just insert it into your computer or charging adapter and you'll be good to go. This miniature version of the yard tool is made out of plastic and is a definite must-have in your office drawer. Number 2. World's smallest walkie-talkies. These walkie-talkies will help you finally live out your spy dreams. With dimensions of 2 by 1.5 inches, these are the world's smallest walkie-talkies. However, don't let the size fool you. These walkie-talkies get the job done. They have a range of 150 feet, so you can communicate through many walls and floors between. They have the traditional push-to-talk work and also feature Morse code functions. The walkie-talkies operate on batteries. They come with flexible 4-inch antennas, meaning they can easily fit into your pocket. All in all, they're a great buy, especially if you're a spy fanatic looking for fun. Number 1. RACEMOUSE. RACEMOUSE is a useful gadget, especially if you need to work while on the go. The gadget proves to be versatile, as it's compatible with every device. You don't need a receiver to connect it, and can use it easily with your laptop, smartphone, and tablets. The mouse fits snugly into your pocket. It has a battery life of 40 hours, so there's no need to worry in case you forget your charger. It also makes for great presentation tools with its built-in laser. You can switch between slides easily with just one swipe. All in all, the mouse is an amazing buddy for all the office folks. Alright, comment down below which of these gadgets blew your mind the most. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to TechJoint, and we'll see you in the next one.